Stop by and take a look at the 2008 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, security package, tachometer, halogen headlamps, convertible soft top, tinted glass, 4-piece floor mat set. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.